Hello everyone, our project is predicting flight delay with error calculation using machine learning classifiers. Team members myself Karthikeyan D, Karthik GS and Kaviyarasan G, guided by the project mentor Mr. Bharatdasan ME, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, RMD Engineering College. Our object is to predict the arrival of particular flight will be delayed or not. So we develop a system that predicts for a delay in flight departure based on several performance and parameters through flight summaries and origin and destination. This is our project. Here I uploaded the dataset through my drive path. Hence I will run the project now. It is run successfully. There are 4 modules: dataset collection, data pre-processing, and classification and evaluation. We are stepping into a data pre-processing. Here the data sets, head portion, tail portion are separately pre-processed, and sentimental analysis of data can be converted into a machine learning form. Data information gives us the type of data occurred in a data set, which is whether it is an integer, object or float type, and it will give the count also. Departure time, departure delay, and distance of flights are all separately described here for understanding to develop the models. These are the steps of process which will train the models to predict the delay of flights. And then exploratory data analysis. This one will give a graphical representation of data based on distance. This graphical representation shows us distance, and this one is based on departure time, and the next one is based on departure delay, and this one is based on a day of week. Here it also give the departure delay. The average distance for delay and no delay has been calculated here, and it is showed here. This is the operator carrier here down. It shows the operators, and then the count of delayed flight is shown in a y-axis. These are the operators, and the count of flights delayed is shown in the figure. And the next one is count of overall delayed flight in each day of week is shown in this figure. And then model implementation. The model is implemented and it is trained by learn from the past data, and it is ready to predict the delay. Here our machine learning modules, naive Bayes, logistic regression, and then random forest classifier are trained and gives the accuracy for delay. After the execution, naive Bayes gives us 61.2% of accuracy, and logistic regression gives us 60.2% accuracy, and random forest gives us 69.1% accuracy. Among all the 3, random forest gives us the huge amount of accuracy. For a limited set of data sets, this accuracy is higher than the previous existing module, and then it will give the minimum distances, maximum distances, mean and median of distances. The minimum departure time it also give, and maximum departure time also it will giving. The minimum, maximum, mean and median of distances has been calculated and showed here. The minimum and maximum departure time also it's calculated and showed here. So by this we can predict the upcoming year flight delay, and we will avoid the cancellation of flights due to some departure delay, distance, weather forecasting, likewise, etc. That's all about our project. Thank you.